My name is Subodh Wagle. I come from city of Mumbai in India. I am faculty member in Tata Institute of Social Sciences and Indian Institute of Technology. Both are located in Mumbai. I am also part of the independent research group and policy advocacy organization called Prayas. So, the Prayas and both Tata Institute are very active in the area of knowledge for development. Essentially, we see ourselves as knowledge support agencies for different kinds of civil society groups as well as the government and the other government organizations. So, our role in this knowledge area is essentially about creation of knowledge which is strategically relevant, which is useful for these different stakeholders, civil society and public agencies especially, and to disseminate it, to apply it. So, we do a lot of activities, and knowledge integration and knowledge co-creation in our opinion are the key issues currently, because now the governance of development is no more entirely in the hands of state, which is no more opaque, which is no more sort of in the hands of certain limited number of stakeholders. The governance is becoming open, even countries like India, and the decision makers have to give evidence about their own decisions. And so, there is a lot of evidence-based work, evidence-based policy work, which obviously is a knowledge intensive work. And knowledge co-creation, knowledge integration are the ways to create knowledge which is not only relevant and useful, but also which is politically feasible. And we feel that this is the way for a country like India. You know, I work in water sector in India, and water sector governance is being changed. Now, until now, the state governments were doing everything in the water sector, making decisions, implementing decisions. Now, sector governance is being opened. So, one major change that is happening is appointment of what is called as independent regulatory agencies, which make most of the decisions. Now, when they are establishing these kind of agencies or they are creating this kind of agencies, what should be their structure? What should be their functioning? What should be their procedures? What should be their accountability relations? All these are major issues, because that will decide the fate of the water sector. Now, there is one way the government is handling is importing the North American model as it is, but obviously it's very difficult to implant this alien model in the Indian situation. So, what should be our model? And there is no fixed, correct, true answer out there. We have to find our answer ourselves. So, we have come together, the academic people from academics, people from civil society, people from government, and under the leadership of Planning Commission of India, which is a government agency, we formed a subgroup and we created our own model of regulatory system. And this is, I think, the best example of co-creation, where everybody joined hands, everybody sorted out issues. Not that everybody is happy about what the outcome was, but we feel that everybody is happy with the process and they will basically give a try to this model. So, I think this is a very good example of knowledge co-creation, and it is applied now that that model is turned into a draft of the law, and the law is on the website of the Planning Commission, which will be discussed in the country. Knowledge is power is a cliche, but I think there is a lot into that, because the things are, every sector, every area, every issue is becoming so complex that we can find a way out of all these complex issues only through knowledge. And I am not saying that knowledge is perfect, knowledge is true, but knowledge is also political. Fine, I am very happy with that, there is no problem with that. But the knowledge is the only way we can solve our future problems, and that should be a common endeavor. So, everybody should join this creation of knowledge. Maintaining their own individualities, maintaining their own agenda. I feel that open democratic processes can help us to come together, use this knowledge and find our own problems.